Join me as I challenge myself to ditch sugar for a whole week and see if I can really boost my energy levels. Sugar, it's the go-to energy booster for many of us, and it's easy to see why. A quick fix of sweetness can give us the temporary energy high we need to get through a long day or a tough workout. But what if I told you that sugar is actually holding you back from achieving sustained energy levels? When we rely on sugar for energy, we're setting ourselves up for a vicious cycle of energy crashes and mood swings. Think about it, how many times have you felt sluggish and lethargic after devouring a sweet treat? That's because sugar causes a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash that leaves you feeling worse than before. And it's not just about the energy crashes. Consuming high amounts of sugar has been linked to some serious health issues, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and even heart disease. It's a ticking time bomb that can have long-term consequences on our overall health. But what's even more concerning is the emotional toll that sugar can take on our bodies. The more we rely on sugar for energy, the more we become dependent on that quick fix, and the harder it is to break free from the cycle of craving and crash. So what's the alternative? How can we ditch sugar for good and still get the energy boost we need to power through our day? One of the biggest game changers for me has been incorporating whole foods into my diet. Think brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, and plenty of fruits and veggies. These foods are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy levels that last all day long. Another key player in the energy-boosting game is healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are all packed with nutritious fats that support our energy levels and keep us feeling full and satisfied. And let's not forget about protein. Foods high in protein like lean meats, fish, and legumes help to stabilize our blood sugar levels and provide a feeling of fullness and satisfaction that lasts. I can attest to the fact that ditching sugar has been a total game changer for me. Not only do I have more energy throughout the day, but I also feel more focused and mentally clear. And the best part, I no longer experience those nasty energy crashes that used to leave me feeling lethargic and sluggish. I want to encourage you to take the first step towards ditching sugar for good. Trust me, it won't be easy, but I promise you that the benefits are well worth it. So take it from me, someone who's been there, done that, and is still enjoying the energy-boosting benefits to this day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you've struggled with sugar cravings or energy crashes, I want to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more content on healthy eating habits and sustainable energy boosting. Check out my next video on how to meal prep for a week of healthy eating. The link is in the description box below.